Hey guys, Alicia here. I hope you have been following my videos on how to make a passive income, and also while I'm on my watercolor kick, I'm going to show you how to make and sell watercolor papers on Etsy for an instant download. So we're going to start out here in Paint 3D. And I love this so much because it already has the brushes that we need. Okay, so we're going to make sure that we select this watercolor brush. Okay, and on here you can choose whatever color you would like, anywhere on this color spectrum at all that you would like. I have already chosen my color. So I'm going to use this color here. It's sort of like a pinkish purple. So over here, we can do the thickness or the opacity and however much you want to do that. So basically is what we're going to do is we need to color this entire square. And I will try to get this done as fast as I possibly can. Okay. Now, I kind of like that, but over here on this left side, I'm not sure that this is just a little bit dark. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add just a little bit of white. And that'll kind of lighten that up a little bit on our dark, super dark areas. Okay. So what we're going to do now is we are going to save this image. We're going to save as. And we're going to click this image here. And you can name it whatever you would like. Okay, so now I'm going to jump over to iPicky.com, which is a site that I use often if you have not been following my videos. And we need to upload this image. Okay. So pretty much the standard size that people are using on Etsy to sell papers is 12 by 12. And I'm going to actually size that in paint.net just because I want to make sure it has a good resolution. So we're going to drag this paper over here and we're going to cover, actually before I do that, hang on a second here. Let's go up here and let's make this a square. Okay, so here's our template. So now we're going to go over here where we just uploaded this and we're going to cover the entire paper. Okay? And then we're just going to click Save. Okay, so I have now saved that image, and now I am going to hop over to paint.net. Okay, so now I am in paint.net And basically I'm going to go ahead and upload the photo that I just saved for watercolor paper. Okay, and then we are just going to resize this image. We're going to click on Image, Resize, and we're going to go by inches here. So I'm just going to go 12 by 12, and we want to make sure it's the best quality. Okay. So now it's a 12 by 12. And if you did not watch my video on how to upload digital products to Etsy, I will link that in the description below. And you can do as many colors on this as you would like to do. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as I am adding a lot of videos on how to make a passive income, and I don't want anyone to miss out. Thanks for watching, and I hope everyone has a great day.